Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC B0029-11 refers to a detected short to ground in the right side curtain airbag first inflator circuit of the Honda Accord 2023 model and beyond. The airbag system is crucial for passenger safety, deploying in the event of a collision to prevent injury. When the SRS, or Supplemental Restraint System, identifies higher than normal voltage on the detection line, it reacts by storing this Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC. It's essential to understand the components involved, which include the curtain airbag itself, the SRS unit, and the circuitry connecting them. Knowing these components and their function aids in efficient troubleshooting. Before starting the repair or inspection processes, familiarizing oneself with SRS precautions is imperative to prevent accidental airbag deployment. Until all protocols are understood, any attempts to repair the SRS system should be approached with caution. The error code B0029-11 specifically indicates an issue with the right side curtain airbag. This airbag is located along the upper side of the vehicle and is designed to deploy in side impact collisions to protect passengers by cushioning impacts. The SRS unit, or Supplemental Restraint System unit, interprets signals from various sensors and makes deployment decisions based on collision dynamics. Within the airbag system, the detection circuit plays a vital role, monitoring the electrical signals and ensuring that correct voltage levels are maintained. When a voltage higher than specified is detected, the SRS unit will trigger this DTC as it indicates a probable malfunction in the system. Understanding the location and role of these components is crucial in troubleshooting the error effectively to ensure safety and proper vehicle function. Several potential causes can lead to the formation of DTC B0029-11, primarily revolving around circuit integrity and component functionality. A shorted wire in the airbag system could produce unintended ground contact, leading the SRS unit to register this as a malfunction. It is also possible that the right side curtain airbag may be defective or damaged, preventing it from functioning correctly. Additionally, a defective SRS unit may misinterpret signals or fail to conduct necessary checks, thus triggering the DTC erroneously. Thorough examination of each component involved is critical to identifying and rectifying the underlying issue, ensuring the safety mechanisms within the Honda Accord are operational and reliable. The presence of DTC B0029-11 in the Honda Accord typically manifests through several noticeable symptoms. One primary indicator is the illumination of the airbag warning light on the dashboard. This light serves as an alert to the driver that there is a fault within the airbag system, demanding immediate attention. Furthermore, the vehicle may display a malfunction message associated with the SRS system, indicating to the driver or technician that a deeper inspection is required. In severe cases, the right side curtain airbag may become inoperative, compromising passenger safety during potential accidents. Recognizing these symptoms early on can facilitate timely interventions and repairs, ensuring the vehicle remains safe and reliable. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B0029-11 involves confirming that the vehicle is set to the on mode. This is essential as it allows the vehicle's systems to initialize and monitor parameters accurately. After switching on the vehicle, it is recommended to wait for approximately 10 seconds. This brief period permits the SRS system to complete its self-checks, revealing whether any DTCs are present. Once this step is completed, the presence or absence of the DTC can be noted. If DTC B0029-11 continues to show, proceed to the next steps for detailed inspections. If it disappears, it may indicate a transient fault that warrants further monitoring rather than immediate repair. Before diving into specific component inspections, it's vital to begin by disconnecting the 12-volt battery terminal to ensure safety during the process. Following disconnection, wait at least 3 minutes for the systems to fully discharge and minimize the risk of accidental airbag deployment. This step is crucial as it involves working with the airbag components, where any premature activation can pose a significant risk. After the waiting period, inspection of the right side curtain airbag and its wiring should be conducted meticulously. Look for any visible defects, wear, or damage that might indicate a fault. Conducting this inspection properly lays the foundation for accurate diagnosis and effective repair of the airbag system. In the next step, attention shifts to the SRS unit connector, ensuring that the SRS unit connector B, which typically has 57 pins, is securely disconnected and fault-free, is essential for troubleshooting. Following this, inspectors should look closely at the wiring harness associated with the right side curtain airbag. High resistance or any short circuits must be identified and noted during the inspection. Reference the open shorted wire inspection procedure for industry standard guidelines on these evaluations. If wiring issues are detected, repairs or replacements must be made before further inspections proceed. A thorough inspection of this stage ensures that all connections are robust and free of faults, directly affecting the airbag deployment capabilities. This step involves testing the RCA plus and RCA minus lines for potential short circuits. With the connectors still disconnected, use a multimeter to measure resistance levels. The standard for RCA plus should be above 1 megaohm, and for RCA minus should also reflect similar non-resistance readings. If either line shows that resistance is below 1 megaohm, it indicates that there is a short to ground within the circuit, necessitating further inspection and repairs. Identifying these circuit problems early ensures that the system can function correctly without triggering DTC B0029-11 again. Attention to detail in testing will prevent future complications and enhance the integrity of the SRS system overall. Once other inspections have cleared, the focus shifts to evaluating the SRS unit's functionality. If wiring and component checks are confirmed to be normal, but the DTC persists, this often points to a defective SRS unit as the likely culprit. Conduct further tests to ensure that the SRS unit processes inputs correctly and operates as intended. If the SRS unit fails to pass these tests, it should be replaced, as it would indicate that it can no longer reliably send information to the airbag system. This step is critical, as a malfunctioning SRS unit jeopardizes vehicle safety, underscoring its importance in maintaining operational integrity of all airbag systems. After completing the necessary repairs, it's vital to execute a final repair verification procedure. Begin by resetting the DTC with the appropriate scan tool, allowing the system to clear any stored faults. After the reset, monitor the vehicle's SRS system performance closely, ensuring that no warnings or error codes resurface. Testing the system thoroughly after repairs ensures that the components are now functioning correctly and prevents any false alarms. If everything appears normal, the repair can be considered successful. Verifying the effectiveness of repairs reinforces not only the reliability, but also the safety of the airbag deployment system within the Honda Accord. Preventive maintenance helps avoid issues like DTC B0029 from emerging in the future. Regular system inspections, particularly around airbag components, can identify wear or damage before they become serious problems. Keeping the wiring integrity intact by routinely checking for frays or corroded connectors is essential in maintaining operational efficiency. Ensuring that all components comply with original manufacturer specifications also enhances reliability. Following the manufacturer's guidelines on any recalls or service bulletins related to the SRS will also inform you of potential legalities or safety standards. Through dedicated preventive steps, Honda Accord owners can maintain peak performance from their vehicles, especially concerning safety measures. In summary, addressing DTC B0029-11 requires a thorough understanding of SRS components within the Honda Accord. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps methodically ensures that every angle is explored for potential faults. By examining not just the airbag, but also the SRS unit and wiring, technicians can provide more accurate diagnoses. It's essential to realize the SRS system's role in overall vehicle safety, and negligence can have serious implications. Regular preventive maintenance can minimize the occurrence of such DTCs and keep the SRS in optimal condition. By understanding and respecting the nuances of DTC B0029-11, drivers can ensure their vehicles remain safe and compliant. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.